Ranjan Tiwari. Today I am going to teach you Keeping Quiet, a very important poetry for class 12. So you try to listen my lecture. First you know about the writer of this poetry, Pablo Neruda. Pablo Neruda was a writer of this famous poetry Keeping Quiet. Writer Pablo Neruda in this poem has emphasis on the importance of introspection. Man has become very selfish and his own actions cause him many miseries. The poet talks about the necessity of creating a feeling of mutual understanding among human beings. First, you understand about the importance of this poetry in the present time. We find this poetry deals the present situation. In the present world, people became keeping quiet. People are not able to say a single word. They do very selfish actions, and their actions causes him many miseries. In this poetry, poet wanted to disclose the importance of keeping quiet. In the artificial world, we lose our emotions, we lose our attention, and we have no time to see the nature, to go near the nature and sit under the shadow of trees on the bank of river, or wandering in the highlands. There we find natural beauty and natural arguments also. But in the present age, man has no time. They lost their natural beauty. They lost their natural arguments. So, a disastrous action of nature shown in the present time. So, poet requested human beings keeping quiet and analyze your action, what you do. First, I am going to read the lines of this poetry, and at last I explain these lines. Now we will count to 12 and we will all keep still. For once on the face of the earth, let us not speak in any language. Let us stop for 1 second and not move our arms so much. Here poet used a very important word, 12. The poet might have used the phrase count to 12. Means there are 12 hours represented on a clock. When you see the clock, there you find the sign of 12 hours. Or there are 12 months as in the year, and he might have wanted the people to keep still as long as they can calculate the time. Through this stanza, poet asks each one of us to count the 12, to count the hours, months, years, and then be quiet. And he wants a moment of silence on earth when no language is spoken in very early time. No any existence of language is negligible on the earth. So people have no idea to speak. In this way, there will be no language barriers between people. No harsh words will be spoken. In this moment of silence, the poet does not want anyone to move their arms. He wants us to remain motionless. Poet describes in these lines about the early phase of human existence on the earth. In that time, no language existence on the earth, no way of expression also, and in that time, no sweet or harsh word are present. So, poet argues human beings, please keep quiet and analyze the importance of speaking. So keep quiet and analyze the hours, analyze months, years, what you do on the earth. Thank you. In next class, I continue the second stanza.